In partnership with the nonprofit Vet Center in Brockton, the Brockton Campus of the VA Boston Healthcare System unveiled its first on-site beehive. The hive, located behind Building 5 on the Brockton Campus of the VA Boston Healthcare System, is meant to offer a therapeutic new hobby for veterans living with post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety, and stress.
Okay, we're here with Curtis Armitage of the Vet Center, just establishing the new beehive at the Brockton VA. Can you tell us what this is all about, how this happened?
So the idea is that veterans coming home, getting them more involved in the community, getting involved in the environment, and reconnected into society. And so I think this is a good first step for some veterans. I think some veterans aren't ready to sit in an office and reflect and think about their experiences, their military experiences. I think for some, the first step is really just getting connected to the community and reconnected to society, and also caring for an organism. And that's really the essential thing of a beekeeper, is you're caring for something other than you. And that's, I think, a really good first step for some veterans.
So it can be therapeutic, huh?
Absolutely.
To do bee cultivating, and are they going to be making any honey here from the...
Oh, sure. They're making honey now. Next year we'll probably be able to take some of that honey. The honey they're making now, they're going to keep for the winter.
All right. Any other thoughts on this project and what it means for veterans that are involved?
I think it means a great deal for veterans. I think it means a great deal for the environment. Bees need us, and I think for some veterans, again, just getting them outside is a really good first step for them.
All right. Thank you very much, Curtis.
That's all you need, Stella. Thank you. Come on in, sir. You ready? On the count of 3, we're gonna go 1, and when she cuts it, everybody let it go, right? 1, 2, 3. Hey! Nice. Thank you.
You're gonna get stung. Why are you wearing gloves? How you gonna go? That's what you put in there.
Yeah, me too.
So those are all eggs, and this is honey.